Want to know how to open up keyboard shortcuts in Cursor AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you can just simply open up your Cursor AI application. You can just simply download it and open it, and make sure you are signed in as well. So we have also created a video under that, so make sure to watch that. Now accessing and changing your keyboard shortcuts is pretty simple. So at the top right side, you should be seeing cursor settings right here with your gear icon. Just simply select it. And on the leftmost side, you should be seeing general. Make sure you are under it if you are under any. So once you have figured that, here you should be seeing preferences, and right under preferences you should be seeing something known as keyboard shortcuts. So you can just simply select it. Now just simply select open, and now here you should be seeing various shortcuts that you can choose from. You can just simply scroll down to see all the shortcuts, and in order to change it, you can just simply select this pencil icon right here and change it accordingly. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.